Okay, down. Lay down. Lay down, lay down. Down, down, down. Yeah. You see your tummy. Down. Down, 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 down. So there you go, guys. Look at the tips. It's really pronounced now. So Roxy is confirmed. Roxy is confirmed now. She is around 30. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So 33 days. 33 days pregnant. Confirmed. We did the ultrasound already. So we're gonna be expecting at least 6 puppies. Could be more. Could be less as well. As of now, it's still not that evident. I mean, the tummy is not that big. But she's confirmed. So you'll be expecting puppies in the next like 30 days or so. So I will update you guys again, maybe around the 40th day and the 50th, and then last will be when the puppies come out. See you again.
Nag-take it mo sa sir?
Nag-take it.
Busy na lang sa siguro. Basta yung aban. Pag idali mo naka-develop. Pero nag-take it siya. Kung makita yung heartbeat, gamay pag-ibig.
Gamay pa.
Oo, gamay pa. Busy na lang sa.